All right, what is going on, guys? Today I just want to recap the trade I took this morning. Just gonna explain to you my thought process behind it and how it turned out. This morning we saw here the SPY rally up. In the first what is this? The first like hour and a half in the morning. So really give it like a bullish sign. So I was waiting for it to come down to VWAP here, but it didn't. So it's because there were some buyers here that were strong, right? So this is the first level of support that it created, right? It tried to pull back, right? And then created this level of support. And then I was just patiently waiting, right? I didn't want to catch a falling knife. So here I waited for it to make a top, and then it made another second top. So I was like, okay, no, this is gonna be it's gonna be forming a downtrend now. That wasn't the case. So what I did was I put a trend line, right? And I just wanted to see how the price reacted to that trend line the next time it reached it. It got there. And then clearly here we see that at the bottom the level of support was like it hold. So we see that it created a higher high. I mean a higher low here. And then boom, it rallied up to the trend line. And then I was like, okay, it seems like it's going to be rejected because he moved too fast, too quick. But it didn't. So it was just consolidating here for a little while, right? And then as soon as we broke the trend line, right, I'm like, okay, yeah, seems like a good entry. I was waiting for the retest of the trend line, and we see this red candle here. It did that, and that's where I enter. And my stop loss or exit point would have been like around here. This was around like 444.80, right? If we break down, if we made a new like a lower low, then I would have like exited my position. But as you can see here, I had to wait and then it rallied. So we broke the trend line, and then I exited around here when this candle was forming. And the reason why I exited was because we were going too fast. Like we're going so high, so quick. So it was like 6 candles, 6 green candles in a row. So it's like it's better if you sell and then find a way to entry like later, especially with options. That's what the trade was. So I was doing here the 446 call option expiring today, right, Monday. So this broke, right, and I was waiting for a break of higher day, which it did, and then yeah, I exited like about here. Now I could enter again for a different position, but I was happy with 30% for the day, right? I'm like that's good. I'm done for the day. But what I could have done was right here, this resistant, right, created a new support, right? So you guys probably have heard that the floor becomes the ceiling. So this is exactly what happened here. Here we got some sellers that were like pushing right here the price, and then when we broke, we tested that level again, right? And as you guys can see, we clearly hold that level, right? There were like some buyers that want to defend that price, so we rally to that point. Right here, this resistance, it was from previous days. I can show you guys where I got that line from. I used the 30-minute chart, so you guys can see right here. I went to the chart, the bigger time frame, and I saw like right here this cluster, right? This level where it was rejected before, right? Another probably like right here will be another resistance level. But this is where I got that number from, that resistance level, and you guys can see here. We tested that once, twice, three times being rejected now. So what's going to happen if it's not going to break it now? It's going to more likely become the top for the day, right? If it's not able to break, right? Because we've tried it like once, twice, 3 times, and we're creating like lower lows here. But then, so yeah, so right now it's at a pivotal point again. But I just wanted to recap my